back to another spectacular video from ExamPadi. Today, we'll be learning about computers. I'm sure you don't remember a time without technology, and these days, almost everything is done through the help of a device. Let's go down memory lane to learn about the origins of computers and their usefulness to us now. A computer is a device which is programmed to carry out assigned operations. Computers store and process data, and they're usually stored in binary form, which is a combination of ones and zeros. Computers help us to do so many activities such as storing information, sending out emails and messages, surfing the internet, listening to music, studying, and so much more. Before the computer as we know it today, there was the abacus. This was one of the first counting devices in the world, and it's still used in some elementary schools to teach counting and numbering. There have been numerous evolutions of the computer before now, and they are categorized into different various groups. Some of them are the early counting machines, the mechanical counting machine, and the early electronic counting machine. Under the early counting machines, devices such as the slide rule and abacus were invented. The early electronic counting machine consisted of the punch card and the Newman machine. Devices under the mechanical counting machine included the Charles Babbage analytical machine, the Napier bone, the Leibniz machine, and the Jacquard loom. Examples of general-purpose computers today include laptops, PCs, tablets, and desktops. And special-purpose computers include ATM machines, vending machines, and routers. General-purpose computers, which is what we regularly use, are made up of two components. These components are referred to as the hardware and the software. Hardware devices are visible physical parts of computers, and some examples of these include the CPU, which is the central processing unit. The CPU is known as the brain of the computer. Other examples of hardware devices include keyboards, mouses, and monitors. Software devices, on the other hand, consist of the programs which are run on the computer. Computing devices are evolving every day. I personally can't wait to see what comes next in the world of computers. Thank you so much for watching up to this point to learn about computers. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Exam